Oh, it's windy up here. It's really windy. So we actually just had the worst windstorm in our town in years. And it's still pretty windy out, so we're technically still having this storm. There was a lot of damage done to properties and buildings, and trees, of course, came down. Some around here I can see. Right now I'm here in the city of Tonawanda at Gateway Harbor. And here is Tonawanda Creek, and it is flooded. It is much higher than it usually is. Here's a little damage that was done last night, I think. So this whole branch came down. It's like this all over the place. I think a train's about to come by. There's a train derailment last night in Kentucky too from tornadoes. Anyway, my friend is gonna go on a mission today. Not me, because I don't do stuff like this. But my friend is gonna go climb onto the roof of some nearby buildings and just explore. No harm, no foul. This is the type of thing I would do back in my heyday, but I don't do that anymore. I'm a grown man. So my friend is gonna do it. It's windy up here. It's really windy. Wow, the wind blew off the back of their thing. I should go inside and tell them. I might actually do that. There's a lady watching me. Just to see more of the damage done by the windstorm. Well guys, it was kind of a success, kind of a failure as well. Apparently, when my friend was up there, some lady saw him in these buildings he had to get down because she was videoing him, apparently. I don't know, I wasn't up there. He just left in his PT Cruiser, but he said he explored a little bit of it, so I'm gonna go home and see the video. Anyway, that's gonna be the end of this video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. I'll see y'all later. Bye.
No one is